Hi, my name's Kat, I'm 30 years old, a beginner investor, and in this video I'll share how much I made through dividends with my Trading212 Stocks and Shares ISA in April. After watching other videos like this for ages, I decided to start sharing my progress here too. I'm very nosy, I hope you are as well, and that you will like, subscribe and enjoy this video. So April started very strong with a dividend of 11 pence from VUSA, which is the ETF from Vanguard, following the S&P 500. At this point, I had bought 1.02 shares, which cost me £79.98. The next dividend was from Barclays at 3 pence. I had bought 1.42 shares, which cost me £4.21. On the 9th, I received 2 pence from Assura with 2.6 shares, and this cost me £1.26. I was paid 18 pence from GSK and I had 10 shares in this, which cost me £149.41. Land Securities paid 2 pence and I had 0.4 of a share, which cost me £2.41. Rio Tinto paid me 9 pence for 0.13 of a share and I paid £5.91. Diageo sent 1 pence and I owned 0.1 of a share that cost me £2.28. HSBC paid me 5 pence for owning 0.45 of a share and that cost me £3.80. I then had 2 dividends from GSBD at 21 pence and 42 pence. In total, I owned 3 shares and this cost me £24.07. American Tower paid me 8 pence and I had 0.07 shares, which cost me £12.33. NatWest paid 5 pence. I owned 0.84 of a share, which cost me £4.02. EOG Resources paid 39 pence. I owned 0.61 shares and this cost me £50. EMHG paid 2 pence for the 1 share I owned and I had paid £3.72 for this, which brings my April dividend total to £1.68. And although there was a 15% withholding rate on the dividends issued by American and Canadian companies, this percentage of my dividend was so small that it couldn't be deducted from the amount I received. So I did finish April with the full £1.68. I'm super happy the dividend did increase from last month. Please like and subscribe to follow along, and if you want to see how much I was paid in May, or how I got started in investing with Plum, check out these videos.